See there, it says Coos Bay, Bandon, Charleston State Parks. This is North Bend, Oregon here. They got a lot of old buildings around here. When I was young, growing up with this kind of stuff. There's the river right down there that moves everything around here. I saw the train going over the train bridge across the river. So we'll go down here and it'll be coming down again here. And then I can film it twice in one day. See, there's the logs they're bringing. There's no ship down here. The ship is up by the sawdust factory right now. So that's the railroad truck. You see the front, it can fit on the rails. We'll just sit right here and wait for it. Now here comes the second truck that will fit on the rails, because they follow the trains around to give the to disconnect them and give the engineers a ride back to the other place, etc., etc. Okay, here it comes. It's actually going to have to slow down and let some logs off. Choo-choo! Oh yeah, the logs. We've already made another video of this on my channel. Coming on the other side of the bridge. Go check it out. See that old guy there in the parking lot? He's taking a picture of the train. He's a train enthusiast. Good for him. That's a good hobby to have. You can feel the ground vibrating here. This whole area is vibrating. That's how much power is on those tracks and how much weight. I'm just fascinated by the entire process of how much materials man can, move, and technology and everything in the world today. I just saw someone drive by in a Cadillac Escalade for like $90,000. The computer screen in their Cadillac Escalade costs more than my entire car. Wow. Seriously. Their computer screen costs more. Their computer screen costs $3,000 more than the value of the car I've been driving for 3 years. So yeah, I just find this a very fascinating world today with everything, from the good stuff to all the crazy stuff. 3847 coming through. Woo woo! Now they'll leave those logs, disconnect that engine maybe, and then maybe bring it back through. And then these big huge cranes, these claws, pick up the logs off of these rail cars, put them into piles over here, and then they move them onto a big ship when the ship comes in. Yeah, so he disconnected and here he comes back again. Well, he was. But he did disconnect. There's a couple guys on the ground who unhooked him. See that guy in that truck up there with the garbage can? He's got a big, huge shredder machine on the back of his truck. And he comes with that garbage can and gets all your personal paper files that you no longer need. They go to banks, schools, anything that you don't want floating around in a landfill. This guy comes and shreds all your papers for you right there on the spot in that truck, and then it gets all shredded and he drives to the next place and does another place and shreds them all at the next place. It's quite an interesting business. I bet he gets paid quite a bit. You got to have a security clearance, I think. And it's not a very big truck. I mean, if you wanted to make a good living, you just walk in a place, they put all their old papers in your garbage can, you come out and shred them all up. Only in the world will man create billions and billions of pieces of paper that he no longer needs and he wants to throw away, and he has to hire someone to come and take them away. Oh, the world is fascinating. I guess that's it. Show's over. Lunchtime. Let me blow the horn for you once here.